Next question. Monte Carlo Limited was registered with rupees 1 lakh share capital with shares of rupees 10 each. Company decided to issue 5,000 shares, and for this company issue a prospectus to the general public for inviting applications. The company called up rupees 8 per share as follows. Rupees 3 on application, rupees 3 on allotment, rupees 1 on first call, rupees 1 on second call. Authorized capital of Monte Carlo Limited is rupees 1 lakh. That means 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Company issued for public subscription 5,000 shares. Number of shares issued 5,000. Amount called up rupees 7 per share. Face value share is rupees 10, but amount called up is only rupees 7. Application money 3, allotment money 3, first call money 1, second call 1. Journal entries. Applications were received for 6,000 shares and company decided to allot shares to all applicants on pro rata basis. You are required to pass necessary journal entries. First entry on receipt of application. Bank account debtor to share application. Number of applications received 6,000. Applications were received for 6,000 shares. So number of applications received 6,000. Amount received as application money 6,000 into application money of rupees 3. 6,000 into 3, 18,000. In this case, company decided to make pro rata allotment. That means proportionate allotment of shares. Proportionate allotment of shares. Second entry, share application account debtor 18,000. To share capital 15,000. To share allotment 3,000. Excess application money of rupees 3,000 is transferred to share allotment. Then third entry, share allotment account debtor to share capital. That is for the transfer of allotment money to share capital 5,000 into 3, 15,000. Next entry, on receipt of share allotment, bank account debtor to share allotment rupees 12,000. Actual amount receivable or amount due on allotment is rupees 15,000, out of which amount already received along with application is rupees 3,000. So actual amount received on allotment is rupees 12,000. Next, share first call account debtor to share capital 5,000. Then bank account debtor to share first call 5,000. Next entry, share second call account debtor to share capital 5,000 into 1. Then bank account debtor to share second call 5,000. Balance sheet of Monte Carlo Limited. Balance sheet, first equities and liabilities. Under equities and liabilities, shareholders fund, share capital. Notes to accounts, share capital. Note number 1, share capital. Authorized capital 1 lakh, 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Issued capital 50,000, 5,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Subscribed capital 5,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 50,000. Subscribed but not fully paid up 5,000 shares of rupees 10 each, rupees 8 called up 40,000. Cash and cash equivalents 40,000. Next question. Nithan Limited was registered with a capital of rupees 10 lakhs divided into shares of rupees 100 each. They decided to issue a prospectus inviting applications for 50,000 shares and called up 90 per share as follows. Rupees 40 on application, rupees 30 on allotment, rupees 20 on first call. Applications were received for 70,000 shares. Applications were received for 70,000 shares. Applications for 5,000 shares were rejected and letters of regret were sent to such applicants. Pro rata allotment was made to the remaining applicants. All the amount was duly received. You are required to pass necessary journal entries and prepare balance sheet. Number of shares issued is 50,000. Authorized capital or registered capital is rupees 10 lakhs. That is 1 lakh. Authorized capital 1 crore. That is 1 lakh shares of rupees 100 each. Number of shares issued 50,000. Amount called up rupees 90. Applications were received for 70,000 shares. Number of shares issued 50,000. Applications received 70,000. So extra applications received, excess application received 20,000. Out of the 20,000 excess applications, company rejected 5,000 shares. Company rejected 5,000 shares and pro rata allotment was made to the remaining applicants. Pro rata allotment was made to the remaining applicants. First entry on receipt of application money, bank account debtor to share application. Number of applications received 70,000. Application per share 40. 70,000 into 40, 28 lakhs. Next entry, share application account debtor, 2 share capital, 2 share allotment, 2 bank. Share application account debtor, 2 share capital, 2 lakhs, 2 share allotment, 60,000, 2 bank, 5,000 into 40 rupees, 2 lakh. Next entry, share allotment account debtor to share capital 50,000 into allotment money of 30, amount 15 lakhs. Next on receipt of allotment money, journal entry, bank account debtor to share allotment 9 lakhs. Next, share first call account debtor to share capital 10 lakhs, bank account debtor to share first call 10 lakhs. Balance sheet, equities and liabilities, shareholders fund share capital. Share capital for 45 lakhs. Notes to accounts. Note number 1, share capital. Authorized capital 1 lakh shares of rupees 100 each, 1 crore. Then issued capital 50,000 shares of rupees 100 each, 5 lakhs. Subscribed capital, subscribed but not fully paid up, 45 lakhs. 50,000 shares of rupees 100 each, 90 called up. Cash and cash equivalents 45 lakhs.